welcome to Elisabella Design. Today we have an unboxing. We're gonna get into it right now. This packaging is no joke. You'd almost think they didn't want me to get into it and make this diamond painting. Now this was commissioned by my boyfriend, and he chose it because he likes bears, the Chicago Bears to be exact. And he had asked me to diamond paint this one for him. So ask and ye shall receive. And there's the picture right there. That is going to look awesome when it's done. That looks pretty vicious, doesn't it? That's one vicious bear right there. I'm going to take this off so there's no glare and you can see the picture. Can't touch it though. I don't want it to take away any of the... Well, it's not much better actually. Even though I took that off, it still has quite a glare on it, so I will just leave that on then. Because I don't want it to get messed up at all. Now, the way that they packaged this is pretty good because there aren't any wrinkles in it. It's really well done. So there it is, that's the bear. Hopefully you can see it without any glare on it here. Pretty cool picture. And they're all supposed to be round, and it looks like they are. And it came with this little, oh, it's one of the nicer ones. I like that. It's pretty good. And it came with one of the ones that have a lot of the, that has the multiple stone applicator. I like that because so many of these are the exact same color. So it's a lot easier to apply. And I'm going to show you a trick that I figured out when applying them to make them go really straight so you're not having to move them all the time. Yeah, you see that whole thing of black? That's a lot of black that I'm going to be putting on this thing. Oh, how cute. I've never seen one of these little tiny bags. That's cute. There's a few of those. Oh, they're so cute. I like those tiny bags. They're so cute. Oh my goodness, there's so many of those that are tiny. Okay, I am not gonna separate every single one of those tiny bags, but I will show you the different colors that it has here. Very nice. You can see all those. Very nice colors. Okay. And then of course we have a whole lot of black. A whole lot more black. And then these cute little tiny ones again. I like them. I really like those little bags. I don't know why they did so many of the tiny ones, but it's nice. And these are all the same color right here. And this looks like a dark gray, almost black though. Very close to black, probably for this shading right here, the dark part of the bear. Got some that fell down here. This one right here actually looks like more black, but I don't know. There should be a, let's see, 337. 337. And these are 310, so that's actually not black. It's some other color. Okay, so that's all that came with it. And you're gonna see me make this. It's gonna be probably take a very long time, but I will be showing you parts of this. I'm not going to show probably every bit of the black that I do because there's so much of it. But when we get into the more interesting parts, I'll show you probably little bits of it probably in my YouTube shorts. And I'll just cut out sections and then do that section and probably show you that a little bit every now and then until it's finished. I hope you like it though and enjoy the making of this one. It is my next large project before I do the next giveaway. And then tomorrow is actually, at least from when I am recording this, is when I am doing the giveaway for these coasters right here. So these are going on the giveaway tomorrow, and then we'll be starting on this. And I'm doing a bonus unboxing. This one is for my mom's Mother's Day present, but this is what I'm going to be making for her. She loves peacocks, so this is for Mother's Day. This comes with these little cork bottoms, which is really, really nice, I think. And these are the coasters right here that I'm going to be making for her. And I'll be recording these so you can see the making of them. And I think there were 2 in that. Yeah, there we go. And this is an 8 also, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, there's 8 of these. And these are the beautiful colors that came with it. These are going to be so pretty when they're done. Here are all the colors. So pretty and bright and deep. It's really beautiful. It's going to make these coasters so pretty. So yeah, that's the second unboxing. I just figured I'd throw that one in for you because I'll be doing it. I'll be making these along with the bear poster because I have to get these done for Mother's Day. And that's it. So there you go. That's the unboxing of 2. And we've got the 2 for 1 special today. And I hope you liked it. So there we go. Isn't that a pretty box too? They came in such a pretty box. And these were both purchased on Amazon. I got this one for my mom. My boyfriend got that one and sent it to me for me to do. And that's it. Alright, that was the video for today. Let me know what you thought in the comments. And if you would consider subscribing, giving a like to the video, and also sharing this video with someone you think might like it. And until next time, ciao for now.